Hey, thanks for joining me today. We're going to take a look at the Bridgewater community by DR Horton. And I'm going to show you two units. Both come with a one-car garage, so if you're looking for something with a garage, look no farther because you're going to find that right here in this community.
Dreams down the dead road tracks, leaving all they know, never looking back, trading in the fast lane for a slower kind of tune, finding out the truth beneath the southern moon.
Here you can see it is in the very desirable St. Johns County with all the great school districts. This is just southeast of Jacksonville, in between St. Augustine and Jacksonville, right off the 95. Very convenient location to get to town, either into Jacksonville or down south. Very desirable community that has swimming pools, splash pad, workout center. So follow me along. Today we're gonna look at the Aspen series, which is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And the Oakleys, which is a 3-bedroom, 2.5. Currently, we're walking around in the Aspen, which is the 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. You're looking at the kitchen right now. This is the lower level. It's a 1,200 square foot unit. This is the downstairs bathroom. Let's go ahead and jump upstairs, shall we? Again, this is the Aspen. This is the top floor. This is the primary bedroom of the 1,200 square foot unit of the 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom unit. This one will, of course, have its own restroom, as well as the other bedroom upstairs will have its own restroom as well. Let's go ahead and run down the hallway into the second bedroom. This one you will see also has its own full bathroom and closet and all the necessities of home that you are going to need. And remember, make sure to bring a realtor the first time you go into any new home build so that you get represented. This representation costs you absolutely nothing and could save you a lot of money down the road. So make sure to call someone, preferably me, Kevin Saltzman, your realtor. And that's been the Aspen. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Oakley, shall we? Come on in. First, you're gonna notice the kitchen right off the bat. You're gonna notice a nice wide area. This is a 1,500 square foot unit. You're gonna notice the dining area as well as the restroom down here. Nice big area for entertaining your living room. And right around the corner is the stairway leading up to your bedrooms. All right, let's take one last quick glance at the living area before we hightail it up the stairs. Take a quick look up the stairs here. Make a quick right around the corner, and you will notice at the very beginning of the hallway, you're gonna see your primary bedroom. This is gonna be your nice big bedroom with its own restroom included, and obviously closet, big enough for your king-size bed and everything you need in here. Let's take a quick turn into bedroom number 2. You'll find a nice sized bedroom, closet, everything you need here. Make a right out of the bedroom, walk down the hallway, and you're gonna find bathroom number 2 upstairs. A quick back out, turn left, and we're into bedroom number 3. Everything you need right here for your last bedroom. And let's zoom downstairs one last time for a quick look around, just so you can see the nice living room, dining, and kitchen area. You'll notice the restroom is going to be on your left, the front door there on your right with all the smart features that you get with the home, the nice quartz countertop, the refrigerator, all the appliances included, washer and dryer downstairs there, those are also included. Everything you're going to need for a wonderful home experience. So if you like what you saw here, go ahead and reach out and give me a shout. If you don't like what you saw here, if you're maybe looking for something different, you know what? Absolutely reach out and give me a shout also, because I can find you homes all over the city, all kinds of different makes, manufacturers, everything you're looking for. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. We can find you whatever it is that you're looking for. So stop renting, move up, move in. You're gonna buy a house, might as well buy it from me. Give me a call.